Hey guys, I am Rahul. I have created this model, Uber Rides Prediction Model in machine learning. So, what is the purpose of this model? The purpose is that this model predicts that how much rides can do a Uber boy per week based on the few parameters. Though the first step is import required libraries like pandas, numpy, train test split, seaborn, matplotlib, warnings. Warnings is used for ignore the warnings. Okay, and etc libraries. Then loading the data like price per week, population, monthly income, etc. These all are my features. Then exploratory data analysis like check the shape, check there is null value or not, check the information, check the description like count, mean value, standard deviation value, minimum value, maximum value, and etc. Then prepare the data like divide the data into the dependent and independent features like x store all our independent features and y stores our dependent feature. Okay, then the next step is splitting the data into training and testing data. Okay, then define the model and train the model. I define a linear regression model. Okay, then check the accuracy. uh, Model accuracy on training score. Model accuracy on training is 93% and model accuracy on the testing is 94%. Then test a model. Then the difference between the actual and predicted data. Like this is a actual value. This is the actual value of the price per week, and this is a predicted value, and this is a difference between the actual and predicted value. Okay. Then check the score, and this is a root mean square error. Then save a model, then load a model, then test a model on the custom data. Thank you. So this is my Uber rides prediction model, and I also deployed this model using the Python framework Flask. Okay. When you will get a code, so you get a app.py file like this app.py file. So when you download the code, you just run only the app.py file, Python app.py. So you will get this type of link. Okay, just copy the link and paste into the browser. So you will get this type of interface. Okay, just enter the values. Price per week like 20, population 20,000, monthly income 5,000, average parking per month like 100. If I click on the predict button, so it predict the it predicted that number of weekly rides should be 29,490. Okay, and now if you are so this is my complete Uber rides prediction model. And if you are interested in data science, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, so you can follow my blog. So this is my blog here. All my models, machine learning, deep learning, and uh, natural language processing projects I upload here. So you can check my blog. For more information, you can comment below. Okay. Thank you guys.